Good morning, everybody. Hello, I'm in my vehicle right now, so it's a little bit different than what I'm used to. But I went to Family Dollar, you guys. I went there a little bit late today, but that is okay. It's Saturday morning. I do want to tell you guys this, that my Family Dollar is a Dollar Tree / Family Dollar, but it's like 75% Family Dollar. But they actually had this here. Okay, this is a Family Dollar sign, but it was $1. It says, every year I fall for pumpkins, bonfires, s'mores, autumn, leaves, apples, and you. I thought this sign was super cute for $1. So I ended up getting that just because I saw it, and yeah. Anyways, let's just dig in, and I can share with you guys what I got at Family Dollar. Okay. So the first things I got, which I'm actually always excited for, is to get Tide products. So I got the Tide Liquid and I got the Tide Pods. These were $4.95. You want to use a $2 off digital coupon, making these just $2.95 each, which is a great price sometimes. The next deal we got is the Purex laundry. Now this was $4.45. You want to use a $2.50 digital coupon, making this just $1.95. Now I thought this deal had it where you could do two per transaction, but it didn't say that, so I just got the one, which I'm totally fine with. So I got that. And then I'm like, okay, so then I ended up getting the Tide Simply, and I'm like, okay, then I got that, and then I got these two other items, and I'm like, wait, I don't need to get the Tide Simply, so I put that back. But I did get the Colgate toothpaste. Now these were $2 a piece. There is currently, you'd get these for $6, but there's currently a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, making these $1 or just 33 cents a piece, which is a great deal. And then the last item I got was the Gain laundry detergent. Now this is the odor defense. So I'm pretty excited for this. And this was $4.95, also with a $2 off digital coupon, making this just $2. So that is what I got. My total came to $6.80 minus that sign. I ended up saving $18.50 with coupons today. Everything came out to be just 97 cents. 97 cents for all that stuff. Or you guys can take out the toothpaste and then figure out the math for the other stuff, but I still think I did pretty good. I'm always happy when I can get Gain and Tide products, because I feel like that's the stuff I don't get very much because of, you know, the area that we live in, the region. But when I can use digitals for that, I'm going to definitely go ahead and do that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next Saturday. See you later. Bye-bye.